Oh, baby's sleeping. Today is December 23rd. And baby's sleeping because yesterday she got the shot. But today she's so tired. This is her body. Perfect model body. See the way she sleeps. Here you go.
Yeah. Like stuff.
Like a frog.
Look at Mark.
And turn the camera around, show your face, like you are the recorder. Huh? Real quick? Maybe, no? Let's see. There's Cousin Josh. Sparkling cranberry flavor juice. Hey, that means a flavor. It's not even real. So why does it have those stuff in there?
We're getting off track.
What? You're getting off track. All you gotta do is recording this body. See? Right here. Every centimeter. Every inch of it. Oh, okay, stop it there. I'm recording something else.